Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in front of me is the metro station. You see the Riyadh metro, and there's another entrance to that same Riyadh metro on the other side. This is Takhassusi station, and well, they are doing some roadworks over here. I'm actually going for the Friday prayer. You see, this is the entrance. Where do you pray your Friday prayers most often? For me, it's this one mosque on Takhassusi Street. This is the King Abdullah Road. That's a Lexus. Another Lexus. Right now, the temperature outside is certainly above 40 degrees Celsius, maybe 42, 43, something like that. Have you been to this road? There's the mosque in front of us. See? And in the back of it, you can see the Fasliya Tower. And if I show you from over here, we are now seeing the scenes of Kingdom Tower. إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة Might rather take a shortcut. الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله. What's up, everyone? Here in Riyadh, in front of the Kingdom Tower, actually very far away. I came from the Friday prayer, and there you see on the other side of the road we have Dunkin. I'm actually going over there to get a sort of brunch. So right now I'm headed over there for to cross this road. So now we are on the other side. I just gave my order, and well, see, they have all the sitting places even above, but you can even see the ones below. But this one hits different. I'd much rather sit here in the corner to this view. Check that out. There's our karak tea, and I think I need to show you how good they make it. Yesterday I had one karak tea at this one restaurant called Dasi restaurant. This one is also flavorful, but that one I think is one of the best I've tasted in Riyadh. The scenes, and we have egg and cheese sandwich over in this one. Check this out, the egg and cheese sandwich. The bread is slightly, I would say, more toasted, the bun actually, but still I think it's fine. They could have done better. Now I'm gonna sit here and just watch the traffic and might record something on my mobile. And if you're new to the channel, I record POV experiences on this one, and I have a few others as well, so I'll work on that.
Anyways, have a very blessed day ahead.